Hey loves, it's your girl, Miss Monique Love. I'm here with another video, right? You know us women, we got to take care of our business regardless of what's going on around us. We got to make sure our transportation is right. So I've been having a little car trouble lately. So, you know, you want to make sure you're good while you're rolling, right? So me, I like to be proactive. I don't like to wait till things happen and try to get my car fixed. I try to be proactive. So with that being said, I've been having a little issues with my, I think it's a strut. I'm not a car expert, but I do my research so that way I know what's going on with my car. You know the sounds it's making in your car. So I've been going to a good mechanic. And by the way, yes, I have a 2012 Kia Optima SX, you know, turbo. So with that being said, I went to AutoZone and I bought some products for my car. And I was in line and I had a lady, she was like, you know, you can get your car parts online. And I'm like, no, I didn't know at the moment, but I did remember that I have looked online, but I never ordered online. So with that being said, I did some research and I was like, okay, well, I ain't got to get it fixed now because it's not broke, but I'm going to go online, do my research and check out the prices. The prices are much cheaper. I looked actually on carparts.com and rockauto.com. And I found some great car parts. And so now for you guys, I'm going to open up my box from Rock Auto and see if I actually got what I ordered. I ordered a lot of stuff. I've said my poor little baby needs some work, but I want to make sure I'm rolling because I do a lot of highway miles and you want to take care of your car so that way you know you don't have to worry about everything. So far I had got a CV axle in my car. I end up getting a lower control arm, and of course, I need both of the struts. In Texas, so many bumps and just wear and tear on your car. Most women don't understand that you don't wait till something breaks down and then try to figure it out, whatever the case may be. If you hear a sound, go check it out, do your research, you know, get different opinions. After I ordered my parts and I asked the people like, why y'all ain't tell me that? Of course, they are all about their moolah. You know, AutoZone want their money, and you know, you got to make a buck. If you want it now, you'll pay that extra price. That's just the way inflation goes. If it's in high demand, they're going to jack the prices up just like flights. And, but I wasn't pressed for time for, getting my car fixed. I got a couple things, like I told you, fixed. So, I did order 2 struts. I ordered some miscellaneous things, like I want to replace my windshield wipers, you know, just maintenance and stuff. So I'm going to open this box and let you guys see what I got from Rock Auto. And let's see, I'm going to get that car repaired so that way I could be rolling real smooth, not no, you know, bumps in the road, like a little cranky. My car sounds like an old little lady. So with that being said, I'm going to get to this box. So this package was dropped off at my door from Rock Auto. As you can see, Rock Auto is sponsored. They say all the parts that your car would ever need. So I'm gonna unbox this to see what we got here. All right, guys. There's so much tape on there because the box is really, really big because the struts, I don't know if you ever seen a strut before, but thank you, Rock Auto. Dang it, these scissors. I should have used a blade. But, ow, I'm struggling. I'm not even holding it right, y'all. I'm trying not to get in the video. They got a lot of tape so that way none of my parts are missing. I actually have 2 packages that's supposed to be coming. And just wanted to let you guys know how it look. Dang, they taped this damn box up. FedEx actually delivered it, and it's supposed to be here on the 2nd. It actually got here earlier, so I can attest to their shipping being good. Shipping is good. If I can get the darn box open. Okay, I'm working at it, y'all. I should have got another blade, but I didn't want to be sitting up in the video. Dang. Actually, I was ripping at the wrong part. There we go. Make it do what it do, ladies. Yeah, it's about taking care of your car, making sure that you know you have a reliable transport. Look at me, I'm struggling because I don't want to be in the video. I'm not trying to get out the chair. All right, now that y'all see me about to open it up. Okay, so what I can say, I ordered 2 parts. Okay, got the boxes. I did order some windshield wipers. Normally, if you go to AutoZone, you know how much those cost, about $10 to like $20. These were $3 windshield wipers. So you know, with the rainy season we having in Texas, it's good to have your brand new windshield wipers. There's something else is in that box. I also ordered this washer pump because sometimes my windshield wipers don't want to pump out the spray. So, and this was inexpensive. You know, they be trying to charge you an arm and leg for crap. And then try to charge you so much to put it on. Parts and labor. I know stuff costs, quality work costs, but if you can, you know, save yourself some time and, you know, get what you need at an inexpensive rate, if you have patience and wait, I think it's a good deal to, you know, shop online. So I ordered 2 struts. I shouldn't have any issues. Take that to my mechanic. Okay, ladies, so let's talk about, or gentlemen, whoever's watching. I definitely got me some windshield wipers for my car. They were $3, Rock Auto. And I got a washer pump for my car because the washer fluid is not, you know, spraying out like it's supposed to be. So maybe I need a pump. And I was like, it's only $11. So why not get it there? If you look online, check those prices at AutoZone, it costs enough. Like just as well as that strut over there. At AutoZone, it depends on the brand of the strut. It'd be $119, $134. Guess how much I got it for? Guess how much your girl got it for? $67. Hey, and I got 2, so you know I'm saving $1. So it's about being frugal with your money, and if you're gonna put that much work into your car, you want to make sure that you know, get everything inexpensive, but get some good quality work done and save some money. I'm a homeowner, so of course I have to make sure I maintain a good budget so that way I can continue to do the things that I like to do and also maintain my responsibilities. When you have a car, you want to take care of it. Make sure you change your oil. You want to make sure you check your tire pressure. You want to make sure you keep your car clean. Get a car wash. You know, take care of your car. Know the fluids. Know when you're running low. I mean, even though you get your oil changed, those are the things that a lady, just me being a single lady, I like to do and make sure I know what's going on with my car. Because only you going to be riding that car. So, you know, you might as well put it in the work. I got brand new tires on my car. You know, I put a lot of miles on it. So, you know, you want to make sure that you're good. And if you can find some good information from me, that's cool, you know. Shop at rockauto.com. This is just the unboxing of the things that I got. I also have probably, I think it's one more part. I wanted to get a ball joint as well because I had, changed the lower control arm and that ball joint is attached. So my mechanic was like, AutoZone sold me the component together and I didn't need it. That was $99. I could have saved myself $50 if I just would have bought the ball joint for $35. But then when I looked at the ball joint on Rock Auto, the ball joint was only $12. So why was I paying $34 for it? Because I want it right then and there. So I didn't need it. My car wasn't broke right away, but it's something that I want to do as a lady to maintain my car, to get my stuff serviced so that way I don't have any future issues being that I have a high mileage car. So you gotta, you know, hey, I could have saved $50. You know, I could have bought a pair of shoes or something, you know, that could have been Papa those. So I just wanted to give you an update on Rock Auto. I believe them to be true. Taking it from a young, you know, woman that's, you know, single and loving it and maintaining her car and handling her business. Yes, I am about my car. I make sure that I know what I'm talking about. I'll be all under the hood when it comes to me finding out what's going on with my car because they could tell you anything. Yes, I trust the mechanic, but also you want to hold yourself knowledgeable. They won't get over on you when you go in there, you know what the heck you're talking about. Like, I knew that the sound wasn't right. I know when I turn the steering wheel that the spring is going out, but also, if you tell me that, you know, something look worn and torn and I see it for myself, of course, that's going to make me to take the initiative to get those things done. So I'm not the car that's sitting on the side of the road. You know, even if you got a new car, everybody have car issues, regardless of what type of car, make, model you have. It's something that we need to do to maintain, just as well as human beings. We need to maintain our appearance, our hair, our skin, everything. So it's about a little maintenance and taking care of your business. This is your girl, Miss Monique Love. Please like, subscribe, share, and give me some feedback. Have you guys shopped online for different car parts, or are you just gonna take it to the shop and pay it, cash out? It's okay. I used to do that, but now I know I can get me some inexpensive things that's just, you know, same brands and stuff. They give you options. Just look through there, put your car. When you go on there, you're gonna put your car make, your model, and is it a 2.4 or 3.4 cylinder, 6-cylinder, or you have turbo, whatever the case may be. You put all the information in there and you start searching for what you need for your car. It's time for us to make sure that we know what we're doing with our cars. This is not just directed towards women. It's about empowering everyone. You can get out here and do the research yourself and find out information. If you don't, you know, research something or ask somebody or network with someone, how you gonna know? So it's just your girl, Miss Monique Love, giving you some love and showing you that you can get something inexpensive and you can continue to, you know, take care of your car and maintain, you know, your car's durability so it can last longer. Like, I had another car that lasted me 244,000 miles and it still was in good condition and I still sold it. So it's not about what you have, it's about what you do with what you have. Are you maintaining what God's giving you? Are you maintaining the blessing that you have? I have a 4-bedroom house. Yes, I'm maintaining. Yes, my walls look this way and I've been here 2 years. Yes. So I'm going to make sure I cut my grass. And speaking of that, I'm going to switch this over so you can see my grass. Yes, I cut my grass. I have to let you know, like, you got to do this for yourself. So that way you know how to maintain stuff. I keep myself up. So it's up to you. Just continue to, you know, stay encouraged and know that you can do all the things that you need to do to maintain everything in your life. Sometimes you don't have to pay somebody for some stuff if you could do it yourself. And it's about a learning process. If I can learn how to do it, I'm going to do it because that's just me. I'm very ambitious and I want to know and be knowledgeable of different areas. Yes, I could pay somebody to cut my grass, but if I can get out there and give me a workout so I can keep my gains and stay young and active, yeah. But if I don't feel like doing it, I know who to call. Like, if I feel like somebody else taking care of my car or doing this for me, you know, if you have family, sister, brothers, cousins, you know, people have knowledge, but they just be sitting on it. Don't sit on that knowledge, share it with somebody. This is what this platform is about. YouTube is about sharing. If I need something, how to do this, how to do that. So this is another video on, yes, you can order from Rock Auto, how to maintain your car, like how to get inexpensive products for your vehicle, you know? So people may research that, and this is a video for that. So I just want to encourage you, let you know this your girl giving you a motivating boost and showing you some new products. You guys have a great one. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, drop a comment below. Please share with your friends and your girls and make sure, because you know we girls, we back. Yeah, have a good one.